Mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you for visiting. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe, a dish that I love. It's my childhood memory, and I call it hotdog steak or hotdog bistek. In the Philippines, we usually cook this with beef, and we call it beef bistek or simply bistek. But because I don't eat red meat, I don't eat beef, I am going to be using chicken hot dog. So let's get cooking. And this is the rewarding part of gardening. Hi Kalokoy, do you want to try the calamansi? Alright, these are the simple ingredients of our hotdog bistek. I encourage you to use olive oil because bistek is so good if you also eat the oil. Alright guys, I leave you with the ASMR because the steps are pretty much explanatory in this video. Alright, happy watching and happy cooking! But wait, I need to say something. Cook your hot dogs until they turn a little bit brown, because it brings out more flavor from the hot dog and also it looks good. Always add your onions last because you don't want to lose its nutrients and also to keep its crunch. And there you have it guys, my super easy version of bistek. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Click the notification bell, turn it on, like and share the link to your family and friends. Also, every time you watch my videos, you are helping me make a difference because I donate a portion of my revenue to the charity. And you're also helping me make my channel grow. So thank you so much guys for watching and for your support. Have a blessed week. Stay safe. I love you all.